So I want to do a quick video about this air purifier I just bought from Amazon. This is the Colzer 142C, only for 2 days, and really happy with it. Just want to do a quick tutorial video and show you about this purifier and see how you like it. So let's turn it off first. First I want to show you is this filter that at the back. You see, this is the they call it Hepa Filter. It's pretty thick. It's about 1 inch thick filter. It's the front, and this is the back. You shake it. You can hear it's, I think it's a carbon in there. I'm not planning on cutting it open and see it, but I think it's carbon. So let's put it back in. It's pretty easy installation. I'm pretty much doing it by one hand. Let's turn it on. So it just takes 30 seconds to preheat. So as you can see, this purifier is actually presentable. It's simple. It's it's something that you can put in the middle of your living room and still looks nice. It's not something you have to hide in the corner. So really happy with it. And the next thing I want to show is the button. There's an on and off button. And there's a speed, there's a sleep that you can turn the sleep mode on and off. Here's a timer, here's a lock. So first I want to show you the speed. Let's do this speed second. It's speed level 3, and you can hear it's actually quite loud. I don't think that you need to actually turn the speed all the way to level 3 unless you have to. Just change it to automatic. This is A automatic. Apparently this comes with a sensor and can detect the air quality of your room, and it's very poor. It's probably gonna switch to level 3, the highest. And there's a level 1, actually it's the lightest. That's one I use the most. Check out the sleep mode. It's working, and I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it's working right now. I can feel the air still comes out, but it's working. And turn the lights off, which is kind of big for me. I really hates the lights in my bedroom when I was sleeping. So let's see, next one is timer. It does allow you to set a timer all the way to 12 hours. Good thing it's if the air purifier is on and you set the timer, it's automatically shut it off. But actually when you turn it off and you can still set a timer, that means you wanna the purifier to automatically turn it on in an hour. So I really love it. It's actually pretty handy, but one thing is you have to go all the way up to 12 hours to turn it off. So another function I wanna show you is the lock. Yeah, the light just came on. So lock is down that you are not able to push any button, but you have to hold on the lock button to unlock it. This coming is really handy if your kids running around the house like to change your settings. That's the button you want to push. So we turn it on, it's automatically switched to level 2. I think it's pretty good noise level. Level 2 is like this. I'm not sure if you hear it, but here it's not bad. And speed 3 is loud, and speed 1 is pretty light. Love it. I'm gonna change back to sleep mode. And that's pretty much everything I know about this purifier. After 2 days of use, I'm really happy with it, and I hope this video covers everything you want to know. I think that's it.